Cash. Welcome to the Christian world. Stay healthy. Sana lumaki kang mabait kagaya ni Mommy at Daddy.
Hi Cash! Welcome to the Christian world. And sana lumaki ka na may tako sa Diyos and always makinig kay Mama and Papa. Welcome to the Christian world, Cash.
I open my heart, and now I feel brand new. I feel so young, and I feel so on top of the world, and I feel so.
Ano lang message ko sana, yun nga, maging healthy baby, happy baby, and laging may takot sa Diyos, saka kay Mommy and Daddy, saka laging makikinig.
Brand new. So brand new. It feels like it's Christmas Day, like dancing in the
Good afternoon, everyone. Ang wish ko kay Mabi, as of now, mabait siyang baby. Masarap siyang alagaan, lalo sa gabi, talagang diretso yung tulog. Sana lang hanggang paglaki, maging mabait, may takot sa Diyos, tsaka makatapos din ng pag-aaral. Yun lang. Love you, Mabi!
I feel so young and I feel so on top of the world, and I feel so I feel alive and I feel so I feel so brand new. So brand new. Brand new.
Ang miss ko kay Mabi, sana lumaki siyang malusog, hindi sakitin. Hit sa lahat, mapagmahal sa kapwa. Tsaka may takot sa Diyos.
I feel so young and I feel so on top of the world, and I feel so I feel alive and I feel so I feel so brand new. So brand new. Brand new.
Hi anak, Cash Mabi. Ayun lang, ang wish ko sa'yo ngayong baptisin mo. Siyempre, lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos. Laging masanuri na baby. Tapos, laging good boy lang ha. Tapos, gusto ko healthy ka and happy. Ha? Okay?